So when we talk about Pachancho community, we think of the Chisag family. We think of Jorge. We plan on helping his home become a warmer home for his family. His father was a leader in the community, was persecuting anyone who wanted to come into the community to talk about Christianity. His wife has recently joined the church, has gotten baptized in the church. She's been able to become a member of the church. And when we went to their home, his father was there and his mother was there, and we asked, could we pray for him?
Let's pray real quick before we get started. Oh, sí.
Vamos a orar antes de empezar el trabajo.
¿Verdad? Sí. Padre, te damos gracias, Señor, por traernos con bien hasta este lugar, Dios mío, Señor. Pedimos ahora, Señor, tu dirección, tu guía, Señor, para todo lo que vayamos a hacer en esta mañana, en este día, Dios mío, Señor. Danos las fuerzas, Señor, el ánimo, Dios mío, Señor, oh Dios mío, para poder ayudar a nuestros hermanos. Y sobre todo, Dios mío, Señor, pedimos, oh Señor, que tú hagas, Dios mío, la obra en este lugar, Señor. Que, Dios mío, podamos ver, Señor, en todo momento, Dios mío, Señor, tu mano, Señor, en esta comunidad, Señor. Ayúdanos, Dios mío, en este día, Señor, a trabajar con gozo, porque lo hacemos para ti, Señor, y para nuestros hermanos. Padre, gracias en el nombre de Jesús. Amén.
Amén.
Okay, so woman, we stay here, men.
He fell to his knees and he started praying. And he said, as a child, I didn't know who my mother was and I didn't know who my father was. And he said, but I know who my father is now, and that is Jesus Christ, his Lord.
Más arriba vivía, no tenía ni agua ni luz, por eso venía acá reciente, aquí vivo. Vivía unos 3 años solo en una casita, nomás ya hice préstamo de $300, ya podía tener casita de otro más. Y ahora, gracias a Dios me dio, estoy mejorando con la vivienda de casa.
You get tired, sit down. Those of us that live at 60 feet sea level, this is thin air and it will hurt us, so let's just be careful.
Father, give us strength to do your work, and give us wisdom to know when to stop and rest and be able to continue doing your work. Thank you for the opportunity. Pray that we make the most of it. Amen.
Now let me ask you a question. If you take both walls off, and in the end it ought to fall just great.
It ain't gonna take long, boys.
Yeah, right.
To build a fireplace in here for the women, because this is going to be the women's center. We're going to have tables brought in here, and they're going to be able to crochet, do their basket weaving, and they're going to be able to do their knitting, And so this is going to be their women's community center. This part right here, because this used to be where they processed the wool off the alpacas and whatever, what is it called, llamas. And so this part right here, we're going to build a wash basin where they can bring their clothes in here and wash their clothes instead of washing them down there in the little river that's outside. So this is going to be a great facility for them.